Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Chevrolet Cruze 2016 to 2019? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Instrument panel fuse box. The 2016 to 2019 Chevrolet Cruze instrument panel fuse box manages and protects electrical circuits for interior functions such as lighting, infotainment, power windows, and climate control. It ensures safe and efficient power distribution to enhance comfort and convenience inside the vehicle. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2016 to 2019 Chevrolet Cruze engine compartment fuse box provides power protection and control for major vehicle systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS, and cooling fans. It houses high-current fuses and relays that ensure stable operation and prevent electrical overloads in critical components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.